Hello. Next week, we are at our booth at the EMO 2025 in Hanover. We are going to show very nice live cuttings. Also, we'll be launching SolidShop. I am here now at the Tech Team and SolidCAM Technology Center. We share it with Tech Team, who is the reseller of Haas, Star, and Makino. The machine you see here is our machine where we do live cuttings to test our different technologies and to prepare cutting videos. And we are now doing testing on it on the new eye-turning technology. Now I want to introduce to you SolidShop. It's the SolidCAM complete ecosystem for digital manufacturing. SolidShop includes an editor that is integrated inside SolidCAM. This is the Simco editor that you have been using for some time already now. There is the new Simco G-code machine simulation, an amazing fast machine simulation that could be used to test your G-code before going to the CNC machine. There is the SolidShop PDM, a full database of CNC programs and all the data related to the CNC programs, all revisions, the CAM part related to the CNC file, the setup sheet, the tool table, all other accessories. And then there is SolidCAM for operators, where the operator can see the simulation of the CAM part before he goes to the machine. He could again see the setup sheet, he could see the tool table, he can even do changes in feeds and speeds. And then with the PDM, with the shop PDM, the next version where he changed is located there. After that, you have the DNC to communicate from the computer, the G-code, to the CNC machine. And the last part of SolidShop, very important, is a monitoring, the full monitoring of all the CNCs in the machine shop. You see here behind me, this monitoring screen is showing this machine behind me that is working now. And you know exactly what's happening with the machine, whether it's going cutting, it's stopping, what's happening there. It's an eye-opener for every owner of a machine shop. You can get the full situation, what happened the full day, the full week, the full month. And you could even use AI to analyze the monitoring data to make your shop much more profitable. Now, Dennis Barsiki, our digital manufacturing engineer, who will be coming with me to the EMO to demonstrate SolidShop, will show you some of the steps that I mentioned of SolidShop.
Okay, so we have our G-code now there in the editor. And first of all, we have to check if G-code is okay. We can go to the simulation menu. We have everything there in one interface, including the list of the machine connected to the server and including the PDM. I will explain a little bit after what is it, how it works. So now we go to backplot. Start the machine simulation. Have in mind that the machine simulation works exactly with the G-code generated, and we have there the final G-code that will go to the machine. And we can see there in the virtual machine how it will work. Now I turn off the base to see more details and start the simulation. Everything okay, no crashes, nothing happens, so our G-code is okay. Now what we should do next is to store this G-code in our library. Our PDM is the library that allows us to store our programs, every file that are connected with our program in one place in the server. A lot of functions are available there in this database. Now I put my file into the database and I have it there. Now there is only G-code there, but I can add any other file I want to this library. For example, I want to store there my PNG file with the picture of the part. I can store it there. And everybody who uses this program can see this part in his display. Next step is to send this file to the machine. Only clicking one button. Okay. Now our part is on the machine. We see the log of what happens with the program, and we can start to execute our program. After we send the program to the machine, we can check the execution of the program in our monitoring interface. There's a web version of this interface, so we can see this picture from anywhere where we have an internet. Our first line is our machine with the part that will be produced. You see there the name of the part, quantity of part that already produced, machine now in feed hold state, and after the operator will press the green button, the part will start executing.
So Dennis had just showed you a bird's eye view of SolidShop. He'll be there all the days of the EMO in Hanover, in a special corner in our amazing SolidCAM booth at the EMO. So join us there and you could see the full demonstration of this amazing process. See you.